Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to create a water slide decal. This beginner-friendly tutorial covers the entire process from designing and printing the decal to applying and sealing it for the professional look and finish. Enjoy the video. And to make your job easier to find all these videos per category, select playlist, and each categories are located right here. Also, I have added every tool product that I'm using in the description section of the video, so feel free to check it out. Alright, let's see if I can create some decal, or they call a logo, for this radio. So I'm in my computer, you create something like this in different size. As you see, there are different size. I mark them so I know the size. Cut bunch of them, and this one, it actually fit perfect in that space that I have on the radio. So next, what I did, I went online and tried to find some type of decal paper. So I did some research, and this is the product I found out. This is, of course, is a waterslide decal paper. This one works with inkjet printer. They also have laser jet printer, but I do have inkjet, so that is what I'm going to use. With the inkjet, there's more process you have to take to finish the job. With the, of course, laser, it's going to be much simpler. So there are about 10 sheets, comes inside, and in the back of this, it actually tells you step by step what you need to do to make this happen. So I follow those process. Of course, I'm going to add this in the description section of this video. Feel free to check it out. I'm pretty happy with the results. And next, what I did, I used one of this paper. I actually, printed like this. These are some of the decal that I need for my radios. And I know, of course, this is going to fit, right? Let me show you what I did next. Alright, what I did, I put this label here in this box so it doesn't fly away when I want to spray it. I tape the corners, and I'm going to use the clear coat. This is what I'm going to use, but you can use any other clear coat, but I'm pretty happy with this. You just need to spray it one layer, let it sit for a while to dry, then another layer, again wait for dry. This is going to be my third layer that I'm going to put to spray it. Alright, now I'm going to let it dry. That's all you gotta do. Alright, this is totally dry and looks very nice. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut this as close as I can. Then of course this is the water. I'm gonna soak it in the water to be able to install it on the radio. As you see, they came out very, very nice. So I'm gonna again cut it close to the line. Alright, let's soak this in the water. We already cut it. Now it will tell you exactly what to do next. So we're going to follow this, alright? We're going to leave it here. This is 30 to 60 seconds. I'm just holding it because it want to keep cooling now. So we're going to wait about 30 to 60 seconds. That's where we're going to install it. So I'm going to put some little water here. Okay, now line it up where you actually need it. Okay, this is out. As you can see, this is out. It's looking great, isn't it? I'm pretty happy with this. It came out very well. Just make sure it lined up correctly, because as soon as you touch it, start moving. So I'm going to put one finger here to hold it. I'm not taking the extra water out. Alright, let it dry. I let it sit overnight so this decal be totally dry, and it looks just incredible. I'm pretty happy with the end result. Let me know in the comment, what do you think about this? Can you also create this label for yourself? Now I can create decal for all my radios. That is just came out very, very nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. At this time, I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comment. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified when a new video being uploaded. You have a great day.